repeated. So Babaji is born on Rohini Nakshatra in Kartika Purnami, which is today. Babaji has a sister named Nagalakshmi Akka. Since Babaji called her Akka, Akka means sister in the South languages. So since Babaji called her Akka, all the disciples also started calling her Akka. And even today, many people could easily establish a personal connection with Nagalakshmi Akka. And they are able to get help with her, with Nagalakshmi Akka's blessings. In the case of all the ladies' family related issues, Manglik, Mars doshas, issues with autism or psychological issues in children, Nagadosham or Sarpadosham, all kinds of health issues, karma clearing, connection with great masters, which means she will help you connect with Mahavatar Babaji also. To understand how to deal and resolve all issues in spiritual as well as worldly life. Now, the name of Mahavatar Babaji's sister is Nagalakshmi Akka. His name is Nagarajan. Someone from Afghanistan who used to kidnap children also happened to kidnap Mahavatar Babaji one day and sold him as a slave to someone in Kolkata. So Babaji lived like a slave for 5 years in Kolkata. This 5 years is designed by the universe to give him training and make his foundation strong for his future spiritual progress. So, the master in whose house Babaji was living observes the tejas, the yashas, the glow, the divinity, the divine glow in Mahavatar Babaji's face, and he observes his profound spiritual practices and releases him after 5 years. Later, Babaji goes to Kashi with some siddhas. After doing some sadhana in Varanasi, Babaji goes to a place called Khatirgam in Sri Lanka. Khatirgam is a place where Bhoganatha Siddhar did intense tapasya. He did intense tapasya of Kumaraswamy. He channeled a yantra. Bhogar Siddhar has channeled a yantra directly from Kumaraswamy in Sri Lanka. He actually channeled this yantra to bring Kumaraswamy energies and the blessings of Mars planet onto planet Earth. He carved this yantra in gold, which used to be available and open for general public until some years ago. Now it's not open for darshan due to some spiritual reasons. Bhogar Siddhar taught some kriyas to Babaji. So Babaji practiced these sadhanas continuously for 6 months, which gave him the darshan of Kumaraswamy, Murugan, Kartikeya, or Subramanya Swami, who in turn blesses and gives him the boon that he will be enjoying eternal life and would be eternally young. Bhogar Siddhar instructs Babaji to take his spiritual progress forward by taking some advanced sadhanas from Agastya Mahamuni. Now, Mahavatar Babaji got his boon from Kumaraswamy, but he got the boon, but there are certain sadhanas which he needs to do before he will be blessed with that boon. For the same sake, Bhogar Siddhar sends him to Agastya Mahamuni. Agastya Mahamuni asks Mahavatar Babaji to do some sadhanas in Kedarnath. Remember, these are the signals, these are the hints that are given in the scriptures. That means for spiritual progress, Kedarnath is an ultimate amazing place. You can also achieve the same energies at your home, but these are some hints and signals. So, Babaji goes into Saurabha Samadhi Sthiti for 18 months in Kedarnath, which is where Babaji understood enlightenment, he understood chakras, Babaji understood nadis, Babaji understood planets, etc. Everything, all that exists, all the knowledge that exists on this planet, Earth, He understood within those 18 months of sadhana in Kedarnath. And the sadhana, the samadhi he was in called Saurabha Samadhi Sthiti. He practically understood everything experientially here only. And also, he comes up with his own Kriya Vasi Yogam. The actual name of Kriya Yoga is Kriya Vasi Yogam. So, this Vasi Yogam or Vasi Yogam is given by Shiva to Parvati for the first time in the cosmos. Parvati teaches it to Nandi. Nandi teaches it to other rishis and munis. And from there it came to Agastya Muni. And from Agastya Muni, the Vasi Yogam came to Mahavatar Babaji. Mahavatar Babaji gave it to Lahiri Mahashaya, who gave it to Sri Swami Yukteswar Giri. From there, it came to Paramahamsa Yogananda. So this Vasi Yogam has been called as Kriya Yoga gradually. Mahavatar Babaji still very much exists in Himalayas. Whenever anyone utters with reverence the name of Babaji, that devotee attracts an instant spiritual blessing is what Lahiri Mahashaya promises. Lahiri Mahashaya says, whenever anyone utters with reverence the name of Babaji, you don't even need any mantra. Just say, Adhikaran Babaji, Anurakti Babaji, and you will be connected to him. So Mahavatar Babaji has been living since over 5,000 years. That means from the time of Mahabharata. Babaji's spiritual state is beyond comprehension. Babaji has broken all laws of existence. He also breaks the space-time continuum also. This whole universe is just a bubble in his consciousness. We can keep on trying to discuss about this being Babaji for years or for the whole life, and still words will never do justice to tell about the glory of Babaji and his energies. Such amazingly fantabulous energies. I've connected with him several times. You don't even need to do hundreds or thousands of mantra jap. You don't even need to do 40 days sadhana, 21 days sadhana, nothing. Just sit and connect to him through your breath.